System engineering deals with how you integrate all of the individual components of the system. Students who are or engineers that are working that are mechanical engineers or electrical engineers or chemical engineers, they're involved in the detailed design of some of those components. So an electrical engineer might design circuit boards, and a mechanical engineer might design a gear and shaft and mechanical assemblies. But systems engineers do something like integrate that all into your product.
In the beginning, a typical manufacturing engineer makes around $55,000 to $65,000 a year. After about 5 to 7 years of experience, they can make around $76,000 to $92,000 a year. Once you start working 8 to 10 years, the average salary increases to $115,000. After that, one of the highest points a manufacturing engineer could possibly make is the top manufacturing executive, who is in charge of all the manufacturing processes. They can make around $220,000 on average a year. Right now, the job availability for manufacturing engineering is very high. Some of the places a manufacturing engineer might work are Life Technologies, Creganna, Nike, Lennox International, Honeywell, and Brunswick. Manufacturing engineers design, direct, and coordinate the processes and production systems for making virtually every kind of product from beginning to end. Manufacturing engineers have a high level of technical expertise and skill, which they use to plan, design, set up, modify, optimize, and monitor manufacturing processes. They work to produce high-quality goods efficiently using the most cost-effective methods and with the aim of reducing the impact of production on the environment. Manufacturing engineers are designers as well as analytical and creative thinkers.
Quality engineers are professionally educated in two main areas, which are quality assurance and quality control. Many people tend to confuse the two, but quality assurance is the management of materials, components, services, and processes, while quality control is the reviewing of factors involved in the overall production. Quality engineers prevent unnecessary costs due to poor quality and production. They try to make products suitable for their intended purpose by eliminating mistakes. Many of these engineers tend to join the American Society for Quality, which basically administers a test in which students can take to become certified. A quality engineer can work in a variety of fields including automotive, pharmaceutical, biomedical, energy, and food and drugs.
Quality engineering consists of professionals who understand the principles of product and service.
Quality engineers work in manufacturing plants, taking responsibility for the quality of a company's products. By working with department managers, production staff, and suppliers to ensure quality, they aim to minimize the cost of reworking waste and maximize consumer satisfaction with the products. Quality engineers assist other engineers with grand challenges that face the world. Quality engineers at BMW use varying technologies to ensure the quality of vehicles. As complexity of the cars increase, engineers must help the company to create flawless models, starting at the first prototypes. Quality engineers ensure that products are made efficiently and free of issues.
Project system engineering is the control and the design of production systems. It includes scheduling, material layout, handling, inventory, and logistics. There are certain types of jobs that production system engineers can have, such as manufacturing, production, control, planning, and scheduling. Certain industries that might hire them are aerospace and defense, biotechnology, business services, chemicals, energy and utilities, structure, and networking. Their salary usually ranges from $60,000 to $80,000, and the societies that they're most commonly in are industrial and system engineering.
So most systems engineering, there's a big demand for them. It's not like the disciplines maybe have been around for 100 years. Like there's lots of programs of graduate mechanical engineers or electrical engineers. There's a lot more volume of jobs in those areas. For systems engineering, there's just fewer jobs, but there's an increasing demand. and there's not a lot of programs that actually teach systems engineering. So a lot of the students that come out now, because systems engineering is growing, and there's not a lot of programs producing students, or students are actually in pretty high demand. And some of these students go to work in aerospace and defense or in automobile industry, and they actually have very high starting salaries. And some of these systems engineers can start at $65,000 or $70,000 or $75,000 right out of school.